Some popular AI tools for front-end developers include 1. Sketch 2 Code 2. Figma 3. CodePen 4. TensorFlow.js 5. Lottie Files. So explain first tool. Sketch 2 Code. Sketch 2 Code is a Microsoft tool that uses AI to convert hand-drawn sketches into HTML code. You can simply take a picture of your sketch and upload it to the Sketch 2 Code website. The tool will then analyze the sketch and generate corresponding HTML markup. It's free to use. Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that offers collaborative features and advanced design capabilities. It allows teams to work together in real time on UI/UX design projects. Figma offers a free version with limited features, including up to 3 projects and 2 editors. CodePen. CodePen is an online community for testing and showcasing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code snippets. It provides an editor where you can write and preview your code instantly. CodePen offers a free version with basic features, including public pens, limited private pens, and limited asset hosting. TensorFlow.js. TensorFlow.js is a library for training and deploying machine learning models directly in the browser or on Node.js. It allows front-end developers to integrate machine learning functionality into web applications. TensorFlow.js is open source and free to use. Lottie Files. Lottie Files is a platform for sharing and using animations created with Adobe After Effects. It provides an online editor for customizing animations and generating code for web and mobile applications. Lottie Files offers a free version with basic features, including access to a limited library of animations and limited exports per month. These tools can be valuable resources for front-end developers, offering various functionalities to enhance the design and development process, and many of them provide free versions with useful features.